Hello friends, welcome back to Anisha's Creative Minds. Let's do this painting today. It's a very beautiful painting. Here I have taken here acrylic paint. So let's get started. And before we start, for anyone who has liked this video and who would like to see more videos, please do subscribe and click on the bell button which is close to it, and click on the first option, that is the all button, if you want to get more of my videos. So first of all, for the sky, I've taken here blue, that is light blue, that is by mixing dark blue with little white. Now I'm going to paint the mountains. For that I've taken dark blue. I have normally used a canvas board, but today I am not using canvas board. You can see that I have taken canvas paper. You get to buy it as a roll. The canvas paper, you will get it as a roll. You can take up a specific size you can take, and you can just cut it according to the your requirement, and to stick it on a table or on a board with masking tape, and then you can do it. So I have taken here a brown and a bit of white, taking a lighter shade of it. By mixing it with little white, I'm doing the third layer. As and when you do, don't forget to blend the colors, because it's acrylic colors, it will get dried up very fast. It's not like oil paint, it will get dried up fast. So each time you do a new layer, don't forget to blend it with a dry brush. Now I'm putting a little bit of white so that it looks like the snow has fallen on the mountains. Now I've taken green with yellow. Now I'm going to paint the trees. Make sure whenever you do the trees, that ones which are closer will be darker shade you can give, and the ones which is far away you can give a lighter shade for the tree by mixing it with little bit of white or maybe a little bit of water, so that the far ones will look a little more faded. I've mixed a bit of brown also here. You can see that whenever you do acrylic paint, it's basically just the strokes which it depends upon. So you can give a look. If you look at closely, you can see that it is depending upon the strokes you give with the brush, the paint looks realistic. For this your trees, you have to take flat brush so that you can feel that you have painted the leaves. To get the show that the light is falling from one direction, I've put a little bit of lemon yellow on certain sides I've given. Now I've taken a bit of green and brown since we're going to paint the garden, that is the flowers, on top of this, that is on the second layer. That's why we have given the base color a little more light, darker shade, so that you can give bright colors for the flowers. So the flowers looks highlighted in that darker phase on the dark background which we have color, that is dark green, we have painted on the first layer. Now for the road, I've taken a bit of yellow and brown. You can see here is that with the brush I'm just giving simple strokes so that it just looks like the stems of the flowers, stems and the grass, long grass. After that you can paint the color flowers. If you have a knife like this, at least one if you have, it will be very good for when you do the paintings. This knife is easily available in stationery shops. You just need to say knife paint knife, so it will be available in different shapes. It will be available. So fill the garden with the flowers which you like. Make it colorful. Here I have taken purple for certain flowers. I have given white, then as well as I have given pink also. I have painted also some daisy flowers. Daisy I've taken white and as well as a bit of blue also, and for the inside part I've taken a bit of orange, red, and I've given a shade with brown. As I've told before, if the picture or if the object is far away from, if you want it to look a little more far away, make it a little more lighter shade you can give, and if it's closer by, make it a little more bigger and make it a little more brighter, so that it gives an effect that those flowers are, or those objects are looking closer. So we have almost done with the. So hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, do let me know. So for the previous videos, some of my friends or some of my people who has watched it, I would like to share their pictures also. So these are the works done by some of my students. And this is by Joanne. She's my cousin. She's a small child. She has done it pretty sunrise painting.